Another video has emerged of a politician threatening people with repercussions for not working for them, just because they did not vote for him. In Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh, BJP MLA Om Kumar from Nehtor constituency has ignited controversy with his recent statements following his loss in the Lok Sabha elections. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Om Kumar, who was defeated by Azad Samaj Party chief Chandrasekhar Azad by over 1,50,000 votes in the Nagina seat, has publicly lashed out at voters and local officers in a video that has now gone viral over social media. Have a look at this video.
सम्मान नहीं करता है, आप मेरे पास आइए, मुझे बताइए, मैं चलूंगा आपके साथ जहां मुझे जाना होगा, लेकिन उस अधिकारी को यहाँ पे जिले में रहने नहीं दूंगा। जब ओम कुमार कह देता था कि ठीक है तुमने आपके वोट नहीं दिया, तुम आपके वोट दे देना, अब वो बात नहीं रहेगी, अब जो वोट देगा काम भी उसका ही करूंगा। अगर वोट नहीं तो काम भी नहीं। हमें जो जिनके तुमने नाम लिए हैं, मैं तो आप लोगों से ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि किसी का नाम लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। हमें सबने वोट दिया है, हर जाति ने दिया है, किसी ने कम दिया, किसी ने ज्यादा दिया, लेकिन एक मजहब के लोगों ने सारा बोलराई होकर के एक जगह सिर्फ इसलिए कि मोदी और योगी से गुंडागर्दी करने का उनको लाइसेंस मिल जाए, वो लाइसेंस हम देने नहीं देंगे।
At an event, Kumar expressed his frustration, saying that now those days have gone when people would not vote for me and I would tell them that if they did not vote for me this time, they should vote next time. And I would work from them without any discrimination. But now, if you do not vote for me, I will not work for you. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas will not work here. This statement emphasizing a selective approach to his duties based on electoral support has sparked significant criticism. In addition to his addressing voters, Kumar also issued a warning to local officers, asserting that officers who did not respect my workers and supporters will not be allowed to stay in the district. I will do anything for my supporters. Some netas misguided people about our constitution, but I want to tell them that our constitution will always remain the strongest in the world, he further said. Kumar did not hold back his criticism of Chandrasekhar Azad either. Referring to Azad's previous comparison of Kanwar Yatra to Namaz during Eid, Kumar challenged the man who has been objecting the Kanwar Yatra. I will tell such people that if they have courage, they should stop the Yatra. The backlash against Kumar's remarks has been swift and widespread. Social media users have also condemned his comments as divisive and harmful. This incident highlights Kumar's ongoing tenure as a third-term MLA from Nehtor, having won 2017 and 2022 elections on a BJP ticket. In 2017, he defeated the Indian National Congress candidate by a significant margin, but his victory in 2022 was much narrower, with a margin of just 258 votes with his opponent Rashtriya Lok Dal. Despite not explicitly naming Muslims in his recent statements, Kumar's remarks have been interpreted as targeting a specific religious community, reflecting a pattern of divisive rhetoric among some BJP leaders. The video of Kumar's speech has created tensions and challenges for ensuring inclusive and equitable governance in a diverse constituency. Well, this is not the first time where a politician is threatening the voters. The controversy surrounding Kumar's statement echoes a similar incident involving JDU MP Devesh Chandra Thakur from Sitamarhi, Bihar, who recently faced criticism declaring that he would not work for Muslims and Yadavs who did not support him in the elections. Also, not forgetting the newly elected BJP MP Bishnupada Rai from Andaman Nicobar when he threatened the voters of Nicobar Islands of dire consequences for not voting and supporting him. As the political landscape in Uttar Pradesh continues to evolve, the reaction to Kumar's statement serves as a reminder of a need for elected officials to uphold their responsibility to work for all constituents and to foster unity and progress. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.